this box we created in our last lecture with the help of shell. Now we will see what is rib and how to add thin wall in any 3D model or in any 3D body. So for that, first we have to create a line where we want to sketch. So we will select this top surface, sketch, select a line and draw one line from any midpoint. Okay, now we created one line and we will create a thin wall rib. You can directly go and see a rib option already looking here. Even you can exit and go to feature and you can select. So we will select it. Now see, it is selected. Now it is showing the dimension. This comes here or next direction, opposite direction. But we want to make opposite direction. See here, normal means it will go downward to this surface, down surface. And here are the thickness, front side, then both sides, then left side. So we will select mid and always uncheck this material because it will not select outward. Degree as usual. Now thickness we kept 10 mm and you can choose up to you. Select OK. Now see, a thin walled rib is created. See, it is very easily you can see. Now we will create one more. So select this top plane, sketch, choose a line and draw one geometry from any point, from here to this line. Now exit. Now go to feature, select rib. Now the rib asking direction, this direction or this direction. You can directly select on this and it will flip material, flip side, another side. You can flip the side. 10 mm, select OK. Something missing, or flip another side, or this is also missing. Just reduce the thickness. Flip normal to. Now we will select bottom. Select OK. Now see, the rib created, a thin wall is created from top to bottom. So this is the function of rib command. It will create any thin wall in any place of your body. I hope you like it and you enjoyed this video.